There you go.
Hi guys, welcome to Sal's Garage. For today's video, we're going to be doing an oil change on this 2003 Prius. Okay, so what we did first was drive up the Prius on these rhino ramps. And we also put the wheel chokes in the back to prevent it from sliding down the driveway. And these are the materials we're going to be using. This is a 14mm socket with a ratchet wrench. This is an oil filter socket. This is the oil filter, and we have our funnel, oil pan, and we have our 5W30 motor oil, high mileage. So I gotta loosen up this bolt, and I have this oil pan to catch the oil when it comes out. It's a 14mm socket. There it is. It's peeing. So I'm gonna try to take out the oil filter. I'm gonna do it by hand first, see if I could do it.
Lefty loosey.
It's moving.
Oh, nice, you got it. You're strong.
Really?
Good catch. And that's where I put the
No. So I flipped the gasket washer around because we don't have a new one, but we'll replace it next time. We'll put a link in the description of the part number. Now hand tighten it. I'm gonna be tightening it 27 pounds of torque. I'm gonna be putting the filter by hand. So I just finished hand tightening it. I'm gonna do a quarter turn. Oh wow, it's already tight. So we drained the oil, and as you can see, there's only 2 quarts of oil in the system when it's supposed to be at least 3.9 quarts. So my mom's Prius might be burning oil faster. In that case, you might have to change the oil more frequently. Usually you'd change the oil every 10,000 miles, but in this case, you might do every 5,000 miles. Ice cream truck intermission. We're gonna be pouring 3.5 quarts of oil, just for now. Then we're gonna check later, see if we need to put more with the dipstick. So I'm going to be driving this car off the rhino ramps and parking it over there where it's more even so we can check the oil levels. Okay. Looks like it's the right amount of oil. It's in between these 2 dots. It's like right here. Okay, so now we need to clear this maintenance required light. So what you need to do first is make sure it's on odometer mode. To do that, you need to press this button until it says odometer. Now we need to shut off the car. Now you need to press this button the whole time while you're turning the car on, and don't let go of this button. You can let go once the light goes away. So with the light gone, the light won't come back until 10,000 miles. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this DIY video of me doing an oil change for my mom's 2003 Prius. And I hope it was helpful and that you continue to follow us for more DIY videos at Sal's Garage. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Ah! Did it go over?
3, 2.
What do I say?
Just say this is the oil filter.
I'm gonna be tightening. I'm going to be. I always had trouble saying this.
I'm gonna be tightening this to 27 foot-pounds of torque.
I'm gonna be. I'm going to be tightening it. Okay, I'm gonna go close the, what is this called? What is this
That's
called?
the oil cap. That's the funnel.
Okay, I'm gonna be closing up. I don't know, what is this called? A DIY oil change on my mom's 20, oh sorry. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me oh god. Why is this so hard? Right when I feel like I got it, I don't.